Hi guys, my name is Shaurya and Varshney and this is
Shlok Varshney.
And today we're going to be unboxing the iPad 8th generation. Now this came about 3 months ago, which means it's pretty new in 2020. Now it looks pretty solid. It's very cracked, I think, this iPad. Now my old iPad, the iPad Air 2, which I've been using for about 5 years now, I got it as a Christmas present. Doesn't really function well and doesn't have the features like the Apple Pencil, the recognition with the drawing that new iPad OS 14 has. So yeah, I'm really excited, and so is Shlok. It's like an early birthday present for him because he turned 6 years old in March.
Yeah, in 2 months.
So I'm pretty sure by the color, if you can see, that looks like a space gray model. But the 3 colors you can get are silver or gold and space gray. If you like those two.
And it's also 32 gigabytes.
Yeah, this one is 32 gigabytes, but you can get another one that's 128 gigs. Now, to be honest with you, 32 gigs can be low, but if you're a casual person like me who uses it for gaming, not a lot of drawing, then yeah, it's actually pretty good. And nowadays we have cloud storage. Also, by Apple, they are saying that this is 6 times faster than the school Chromebook I use, 3 times faster than Samsung tablets, and 2 times faster than any Windows laptop you have. Now, in my opinion, this is the only tablet to buy. So, as we all know, Samsung is not that good anymore than it used to be. Yeah. And especially the kids Samsung one, that had no features, and many other laptops that are trying to be tablets are not really doing as successful as Apple, which is why I think this is the best on the market. This is more of a vintage iPad, but that means it's still good because you're still getting it at a good price at 329 Canadian dollars here in Canada, but that's still cheap. If you still go for the premium iPads like the Air, the new Air, it costs you about $600. This is half the price. Now, so Shlok, you say something.
Now we're heading up to the unboxing.
Yes, we are. Now, this also supports Apple first generation pencil. So, yes, it's not the 2nd generation, but it's better than the iPad Air 2, which I currently have. It supports no pencil. Here we are. We're going to do the unboxing.
I know it's opening.
I think it's open from the back.
Yeah, it's open.
That's just from the back. Any of you want to read that? If you can see it. Now, I'm not sure if this is space gray or silver because I'm kind of confused if you guys look at what color that is. Yeah. But I'm just excited to open it because I haven't got a new iPad in a while. Alright, yeah. 3, 2, 1, go.
I can hold the iPad.
Yes, you can. Alright, here's the box. It already looks just like the iPhones. And the watches. Our last video was the Apple Watch Series 5. That also looked pretty cracked.
Yeah,
3,
it's cracked.
2, 1. Hold up.
Okay, now you open. I don't know how to open it from there. It's really hard. Wait, I know a person can do it.
Okay, I think I got it.
Yes.
Okay. Oh my god!
Gee.
Look at that! Guys, look at that! That's one of the best iPads I've ever seen.
It is. Wait.
Oh my god. Guys, I'm really excited for this.
Open it.
It's so slick, thin. Oh my god, this looks so good. Here's what the iPad looks like. I'm using it with this laminated cover. That's from the back. It's only 8 megapixel camera, but who cares about cameras on iPads? Designed by Apple in California, another California family product. Alright, I'm pretty sure these are just manuals like always. Oh my god, that's a USB-C cable. So we do not see these in the new phones these days because apparently they want to be eco-friendly, but I think it's just another way to make money. And also the power brick that we don't get. They sell separately because of the eco-friendly I just told you right now. But yeah, first up, I'm excited because the power cable and the USB-C port are back. Also, you guys can notice there's a headphone jack. Headphone jack on this side.
Okay, I can see. There's a hole.
You guys can see. So I'm pretty sure the last phone that had that was the iPhone X or the iPhone 8. But it's back on this iPad. OG vintage, like I said. Let's open it.
Whoa.
Oh my god, this feels so smooth. Yeah, it feels smoother than our iPad.
Bro, space gray.
Space gray, like I guessed.
Same.
Oh my goodness.
Bro, can I...
This is really big. Ours was pretty small. Ours was not the mini,
pretty
but
cold.
ours actually pretty. It is cold. Yes, because it's a new product. I wonder what this is. 3 dots. What is that for?
Wait, let me check. 3 dots.
Alright, hope this starts up. Our Apple Watch Series 5 last video did not start up that good. Alright, I will show you the iPad once it's booted up. Oh, it booted up! The Apple logo comes on. The screen is really bright.
Yeah. Oh,
It just tells you what an old iPad. So, we already booted it up. We're gonna set it up. Here it is. Last look at it. From the back, it already looks so good for those of you who still have a year-old, 2-year-old iPad, and those of you that are thinking of getting a laptop or Samsung tablet, don't buy those. This is the best.
Yeah.
Best quality, as we all know. Apple sells the best quality. So, that'll be it for the video. Please subscribe, like the video,
like the video, and subscribe.
comment below.
Comment down below.
Share this video with others so they can get the useful information about the new iPad. And please subscribe. We're very close to 100 subscribers on this channel.
Yeah.
And I'm really happy because I'm working hard every day trying to get these videos in. So yes, please. Namaste.
Namaste.